parked by the pull-off on the side of the road. This is Yaegerville Road, and that over there is Route 55A. Beyond Route 55A is the Rondout Reservoir. Oh wait, where is the trailhead? Go this way. I don't know much about this cascade. From what I read online, there is an interesting rock formation here and some nice water flowing. The trail is steep. Oh, I can see it now. Yep, I can see it now. There's not a lot of hike on this trail. Not even half a mile, but there. Don't know if you can see it. There it is. We'll just have to make our way down through that steep incline. We had rain last night, so the ground is wet. I can see a trail down there, which leads over there. So the trailhead is probably over there on the other side. Let's go check out the proper trailhead. Oh, here it is. Okay, here's the trail. All right, let's go up first. All right, there's my car. Here's a lamppost, and that right there is a trailhead. There's no markings or signs anywhere, so you just have to know. And there's the cascade. Rock formation on Yaegerville Road. This cascade is on Trout Creek, which is also where 3 waterfalls are: Sholam Falls, Yaegerville Falls, and Frozen Balls Falls. 3 waterfalls and a nice cascade all on one creek. If you came here for Yaegerville Falls, Sholam Falls, and Frozen Balls Falls, I would urge you not to miss this one. It's just a short walk from the road, and you will be treated to this beautiful cascade.